Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your issuer does not yet offer support for this card issue on your Apple device. So guys, if you're also facing this issue here, I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply check region settings. So guys, you have to simply ensure your iPhone's region matching the card's issuing country. So guys, for that you have to simply go to settings, and then you have to go to general, and then you have to scroll it below and go to language and region, tap on region and select the country or region which matches the card's issuing country. So guys, match your country or region with your card issuer country, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply go back and now you have to simply go to general, then tap on software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, simply update your device to the latest version and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to simply go to your profile, and then you have to simply scroll it below and sign out your Apple account from your device for one time, and after this sign in your Apple account again on your device. So guys, do this, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply re-add your Apple Pay or Apple Card again on your device. So guys, simply do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply go to Support app, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue from the Apple team. So guys, you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way to the Apple team, and they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.